we need to talk. We need to talk about what's happening in your reflection. This is the AI mirror trap.
Seriously, stop looking in a mirror.
Because what you're seeing, it isn't real. For years, we all worried about AI stealing our jobs, but it turns out we were looking at the wrong threat. The real target is your reflection, and right now it's lying to you.
So how is this even happening? How does this deception work? Let's pull back the curtain on why your own reflection has become a lie.
It's called the AI mirror trap, and it's not an accident. It's a deliberate system designed to make you hate your real self by showing you a perfect AI-generated reflection. Every time you open your phone, your feed is showing you an image that an AI created just for you. And forget about simple deepfakes or filters. This is something else entirely. We're talking about identity theft on a deep psychological level, and it is happening right now in the palm of your hand.
So how does it get inside your head? Well, to understand the trap, you have to understand the machine that built it, the machine that knows you. So that leads us to the fundamental question, right? How does this machine actually work? How does it learn what makes you tick? And more importantly, what makes you break?
Well, the process is chillingly systematic. It's a 4-step attack. First, the AI learns your deepest insecurity. It scrapes this from your search history, your comments, every single photo you pause on. It honestly learns your flaws faster than you do.
Once it knows your insecurity, it turns your entire feed against you. It weaponizes everything you see. So if you're insecure about your skin, suddenly you'll see a constant stream of impossibly perfect skin. If you doubt your body, you're fed an endless loop of AI-generated perfection. This isn't random. It's a targeted assault. And what's the end game in all of this? Why build this kind of system? The motive is brutally simple. Self-doubt creates consumers.
This is the absolute core of the trap. The AI builds a digital doppelganger so flawless, it's literally designed to make you feel worthless. That feeling creates pressure. The pressure to buy whatever product it shows you to fix the lie. You become a product of your own insecurities.
But you are not powerless here. You can fight back. So let's talk about how to break the mirror.
The first thing you have to understand is that you can't delete the AI. It's too embedded in everything. But what you can do is change how you see yourself. The defense is an internal one. Here is the one non-negotiable step to defend your mind. It's a 10-second reality test. Step 1, stop scrolling right now. Step 2, take a single, raw, unedited photo of yourself. No filters, no perfect angles. Step 3, open your feed and look at that perfect AI reflection it's been showing you. And finally, step 4, ask yourself a simple question. Which one feels real? And listen, you're not comparing flaws here. You're comparing the feeling. Look at your raw photo. That feeling, that's reality. Now look at the AI reflection. That feeling, that's a product. One is you, the other is an advertisement designed to turn you into a customer. You have to remember this. The machine wants your self-doubt. That is its fuel. Don't give it to them. This test is how you prove to yourself that you are real and the mirror is a lie. And this brings us to our final point. This isn't a one-time fix. This is an ongoing battle, a war inside your mind. The real threat we're facing from AI right now is not some sci-fi fantasy. It is not a robot taking over the world. It's this, a constant, silent, internal war being waged inside your own mind every single day, every single time you unlock your phone. So, the only question left is, are you ready to fight back? If you're ready to fight back against the machine and reclaim your own identity, subscribe now. We'll show you how.